Good day, guys. Welcome back. Let's take a look at GBPJPY for the next day, which is for the 27th, right, of December. Now, before we get started, those of you that have not subscribed, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So before we take a link trade, right, we would want to actually go to the daily time frame and assess the trend for the movements we want to trade. We all know that markets don't give us three direction movements, either an uptrend movement, a downtrend movement, or a ranging market movement. So you can see that this market here, we clearly can see this is a ranging market movement, right? We will take this up, I've highlighted here to be the resistance level, and we can also take here to be support level. So anytime we see our price reject from our resistance, we tend to see it drop down to our support level, right? Then again a movement to our resistance level, and again drop to our support level. That is one. I've added this backup. You can call it support backup. I just don't know if you want to see it that way. You also see that price have reacted to this level. One of the reasons why I've highlighted this, because there's every possibility that price will actually drop to test this level. You can see that this support level, right? Now you can see here, this support level you can see here. Our price are broken below it, right? And it has given us a pullback to test it. So now that if this pullback is over, we expect a further drop to this level of 157. So this is one of the reasons why I'm watching out for a level of 157 for this GBP JPY to give us that bearish move. So the movement should look something like this as a drop, and we would see something like a pullback and a drop. Then we will see something like a pullback and a drop. So it broke this support level that it's supposed to react to. Then we had a pullback to test it. Then I would be expecting a further drop again. So this GBP JPY, I would be expecting a drop. But have it in mind that this there's every likelihood that this pullback itself is not yet over. So we might very much see kind of like a spike up, like a bullish move first before this GBP JPY drops. So this is one of the reasons why I want you guys to watch that. There's every possibility that this pullback is not over. So if in case this pullback is over, then we would get that drop right on this GBP JPY. So you can also see it is trading below our 10 period moving average. So on the full trend, this is still a bearish move, but I personally will be watching out for a level of 157. So if in case we start having that impulse move on GBP JPY, then have it in mind that sooner or later it will give us that drop. At least we would want to see it get to a level of 157. So we are not really sure if we would have that get that drop that we are all speculating, or a pullback will the pullback will continue before it drops. Above all, you have to watch out for it before you place that trade. So if in case you would want to place that trade, you have to go to the 4-hour time frame. So we can see the 4-hour time frame downward movements, right? So we can now let's start it from here, something like an impulse move here, and would be taken as a correction. Then we can see this again as a drop. Let's see if this price will come up to this level, kind of like reject this top, serve like a double top, right? This level of 160, right? If in case this GBP should go up, we should see it get to a level of 160, and again we would expect another drop, at least to take out this support level, right? At least to take out this support level on a 4-hour time frame, which is 158. So this is the movement I'll be watching out for, guys. First of all, an impulse move to a level of 160. Currently the price is 159, right? I want to see an impulse move to a level of 160. Then if it gets there, then I'll personally go ahead and sell on this GBPJPY down to a level of 159, right? Or 158, sorry, 158. So this is how I'll be watching out for GBPJPY for the next day.